ripped a pack. These trees are pretty awesome. There's gaps everywhere. And it's kind of like unlimited things to try, it feels like, after one battery pack. So Jordan and I ripped a pack. Cody's got 1,000 gigawatts of power, so he's going to go up by himself and we're going to spot. Because if you go to anywhere that's public, you should probably have at least one spotter at all times just to make sure. People tend to sneak up on you out of the woodwork when they hear these things flying around and they're like, oh, what's that? I'll just walk over there and see what's happening. But I get to see CodeRed fly in person.
I'm so excited! So excited!
Dude, that might be the screenshot for the video.
Smile.
Yeah, that your stupid face. Oh, too close. There is some serious wildlife out here too. There's like all these weird colored shaped birds. There's I don't want to say turtles.
Weird colored shaped birds. He says to the white bird.
No, no, look, there's another one right over there that you probably can't see. I'll zoom in. But yeah, the white weird bird. But then there's like turtles, I think, and maybe Cody said snakes. So I don't like snakes. Who likes snakes? Nobody.
Probably
not in the wild. He was complaining that we were taking so long to go fly. This is why. It takes him 17 minutes to plug in a battery and go get in the air. Holy... He's tuning his... Oh, he's... Ah, there we go. He's got a GoPro swap happening, that's all. It's Cody's copter. It's Cody's sweet ass. Oh, God. Maybe that's the thumbnail. We got a walker coming on the path that we're standing on from the parking lot side with a little dog. Carlos, what's up, my man? Dude, you're live on the Charlie Show right now. I'm recording footages and you called me in the middle of me ripping with Jordan and Cody, so it's perfect timing. What's up, my man? He was getting super tasty and then he just got himself stuck. And all the turtling and everything. Now it's killing the battery. Everything's resetting. It's very stuck. He's got recovery rope though, so while he gets that, we're gonna rip a pack. So Quadcopter Recovery is done a couple ways. You can try to smash it out with another copter, but before you do that, because that ends in two copters stuck, you try to use a rope. I actually had a rope in my bag, so we saved a walk. So we're gonna go head over there, and since we're in Florida, we're in Daytona, there's no rocks because it's, you know, so we're gonna tie a battery, a very large battery, onto the end of the rope and try to huck it into the tree and shimmy the branch that it's on until it falls out, hopefully. And Jordan is flying on those trees over there so that we can do this uninterrupted, because this place has so many awesome trees that we're not really taking up a good spot or anything by making all this happen. That's the worst, when you're not really sure what tree you're in.
I see it. Yeah, it's got a wedgie way up the...
Oh, there it is. It's right about there, below that green spot right in there. Maybe Jordan's gonna bump it out. He couldn't see it. I think he doesn't realize what tree it's in. Oh, here we go.
I'm in the Xena Warrior Princess Kids. She's been my idol since I was a child.
Higher!
Don't ram it. Don't.
You're right there!
No, dude, don't do it.
Jet's gonna ram it out.
Ah! Dude, you're crazy!
That was sweet.
Yeah, almost got it.
He did almost get it.
Oh, I hear a loose prop.
Loose prop. Hold on, I'm gonna try to tighten the prop. Finger tight props. He's you get it? No, he didn't get it. He's throwing rope at it. I finger tightened his props. He's going in, or he's going home. Maybe he's out of juices finally. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's okay. That's okay. We got the weights up there, but it's on the branch that's gonna make it fall off the one we needed to stay on. And it looks like the rope might be not long enough. Oh, we're good. All right, give that a shake. Look at it, it's wrapping around and everything.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, then it unwrapped. It came right out. You got your nerd exercise on. He's cranking this rope so much, but nothing's happening. It's moving a lot, but not the branch that we need. So close. Try from that angle. Oh, he stepped in some ants. That's another pro tip. Always look for fun. Oh, look, I'm standing in some too. It's caught in like a little, like a V wedge just behind the camera. Like if you were to pin a wild animal down to the ground with a fork, that's how you do it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we got it loose.
Let's go, Joe.
Boom. So now we're gonna position it, stand way over here, throw it in that way. I feel like I'm gonna move your goggles and your radio out of the strike zone. And not put them on an ant pile. There's a rock! Look, a rock in Florida. Just... Good thing we moved the goggles. The disappointment on Cody's face is real right now. Ooh, that was a good one. That was a good one. He got it. He actually threw it just underneath the quad. So it's on the actual, the rope is going to the branch that the copter's sitting on. So if we can get that thing to hoop around and latch on real good. All right, oh. The battery is slowly inching its way into a spot that's doing us no good. And Jordan is flying copter in close proximity. He's wiggling it. The battery is just at the last. That's the most movement we see. Look at that thing go. There it goes, there it goes. Yeah! Yeah! Watch your face. Now that we could get the rope out, we'll be in business. Yeah! Quadcopter recovery complete. Rope, battery, in 10 minutes. Oh, how long? Now, there's a little more. Oh. I clipped a tree and I went spiraling out of control. So So here's pro tip 2. You ever pick up your copter and have an arm in your hands because you bump a switch? If you set it down disarm and you put your throttle up, it won't do that, and you can, you know, not worry about it. But check that out. That's pretty sick. It's like a ghillie suit. Super sick.
Get my workout in.
Super sick.
We're not gonna let you talk, Charlie. We're just gonna talk over you whenever you're trying to vlog live.
The mic's on this side, so I'm not sure that it matters. But we got done flying just in time. The stadium lights came on and the baseballers are getting here. We got all our copters back in one piece. Mine came back with a sweet suit. It was more camouflage than Cody. We're gonna go, I think Jordan's gonna make us dinner now, so we'll see you later. Woo! He gonna stuff. Jordan's making dinner. He has marinated and seasoned it. There's fresh ginger and some sort of magical combination of these sauces that we're unsure of.
Soy sauce.
Oh, okay. What is it?
Chili sauce.
Chili sauce. It's got a chicken on it.
It's the same people that make sriracha.
Oh, there you go.
Yes.
And he's got his hot pan going. He's making a sweet
Now we got red peppers.
stir fry. Red peppers.
We got some mushrooms.
There's mushrooms coming.
What else? Whatever's in the fridge. Whatever we bought at the store.
And all the things that we bought are all going in there.
Onion. Sure.
Sweet.
Garlic. Yeah.
Jordan's making some stir fry, and the lizard got into the house. This one's inside. This one, you almost burned me. There's a lizard on the inside of the screen. And he's like, "What's up?" He's trying to save us some money on our insurance, but we don't want it.
Allstate, bitch.
Jordan's gonna start a new series called Cooking with Jordan, where he's gonna teach us how to shop and cook well. We just got it. He has made this delicious freaking dish. It's like a little bit of stir fry, some, what is it, pan fried pork, and some seasoning that he put some ginger on and some other
few other things,
salt and peppers, and a little bit of, I don't know. Well, anyway, we'll get.
Chili paste.
He'll tell it chili paste. He's gonna tell us all about it in Cooking with Jordan, which will be coming up soon. Cody the vegetables are delicious.
Super dude.
Well, that's it. Day 1 has been completed, and I am so stoked because I got 2 gourmet meals from Cooking with Jet.
Cooking with Jet. You might have just coined that right there.
Cooking with Jet! Hold on a second, I'm going to interrupt you because not only did they make me dinner, but CodeRed did all the dishes. Thanks, babe.
Yeah, definitely leave that in there.